student, this video for class 11 students. In this video basically we are going to discuss the cardinal number of sets. Yesterday we have discussed a little bit, but today we will elaborate everything over here. So you see the two sets are here, A and B. You know this portion is basically, this is A minus B. This portion is basically, it is A intersection B, and this portion is basically B minus A. So here, and the complete portion is basically N A union B. So here one rule you know. What rule you know? This you know that N A union B अगर आपने निकालना है तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, आपको पूरा वाला सेट लेना है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट ए प्लस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट बी, और क्योंकि आपने कॉमन दो बार ले लिया है तो एक कॉमन आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. तो ये हमने माइनस कर दिए नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन कॉमन वन टाइम, बिकॉज it contain already one time, two times here, so one time I am going to subtract. So this is first rule what we discussed yesterday. Now today we can make this rule like this also. Number of element in A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B and plus number of element in B minus A. You can write this rule like this also. What we are doing, because complete is A union B, so that A union B is basically this part plus this part plus this part. So here this is basically, this is A intersection B. So this A minus B plus A intersection B plus B minus A. Number of element in A minus B, number of element in A intersection B, and number of element in B minus A is the number of element in A union B. So that is the second rule we discussed here. Yesterday we discussed one more thing, that if A and B are disjoint, what will happen? In that case the common portion will not be there. So therefore number of element in A union B can directly be written number of element in A plus number of element in B. But it is possible only and only when A and B are disjoint set, means there is no common between A and B. Now let us discuss the next formula. This is fourth formula. Here we have A, B, C, three sets are involving. So here if we are interested to find N A union B union C, so the formula is number of element in A plus number of element in B plus number of element in C minus number of element in A intersection B minus number of element in B intersection C minus number of element C intersection A plus number of element in A intersection B intersection C. So this large formula you have to remember for three sets. Okay, so number of element in A union B union C is equal to number of element A plus number of element B plus number of element C minus number of element A intersection B minus number of element A intersection B intersection C minus number of element C intersection A plus number of element in A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula you should remember for three sets.